Just added 1 pound of beef right into our pie pan. Then we're gonna bring in some white onion. Ooh, some nice fresh white onion. We're gonna just sprinkle that right on top. Put however much you like, however much you don't. I happen to absolutely love onions, so I am just going to not be stingy with those on top right there. That looks great. Now I have some cheddar cheese. Cheese, please. Now, if you want to choose a different cheese, go ahead, choose a different cheese. If you're going to choose a different cheese, you know I want to hear about it. I want to hear about all your choices that you're going to put into this dish. We're keeping it pretty simple and easy this evening. We're just doing some ground beef, some onion, and a little bit of cheese. You can see that I'm just like tucking the cheese in with my fingers, and then you want to leave about a half a cup of cheese left over from your bag right here. Okay, now once you got all those great ingredients in there, you wanna make some biscuits. Now here I went with this Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, the Red Lobster kind. I feel like that's a pretty popular one. I don't know, tell me, do you have a different type of biscuit or are you making your own fresh biscuits? You choose. So I'm just gonna put this together based on the package directions. It calls for a 1/4 cup of butter and let's see, 3/4 cup of water. And then also we are going to add in a little bit of that cheese that we saved and we put aside. So we're gonna throw that right in there. Mix that all together, make sure there's no lumps, nice and smooth. Ooh, so cheesy. All right, you guys, this is looking so good. You can see that the mixture is really thickening up. Look at that, okay? And you know, like I said, if you're gonna use different kind of biscuits or if you're gonna fresh make your own, let me know. I wanna hear all about it in the comments. We're gonna grab our little cheeseburger pie back over here and check this out, you guys. We are just gonna pour this biscuit mix right here on top of this cheeseburger pie. Yeah, you better friggin' believe it. I just said that. We're gonna pour the biscuit mix right on top. Then you wanna grab your spatula and we're going to really nice and smoothly just spread over this biscuit mix right over this cheeseburger pie, you guys. If you're making fresh homemade biscuits, like I said, I wanna know about it. And I wanna know, do you ever put cheese in it? Because what a fabulous idea it is to knead some cheese into your biscuit dough. I am pretty excited about this. Then you wanna grab a little bit of onion powder. And of course you have options, right? So you can season this however you want, but I am throwing a little bit of onion powder right on top here. I'm gonna follow that up with a little bit of garlic. So we have onion and garlic and oh, this can be so good. All in all, we wanna season it up nice and good, and this is gonna go right in with that melted butter when it seeps through, and a little bit of oregano. Oh, smells so good. Okay, you guys, that is perfect. This is all set. I am really stoked about this super easy cheeseburger pie. Oh my gosh, and especially it's gonna be topped with this biscuit that's gonna get like golden brown and cheesy. It's gonna be so bomb. I'm gonna stuff it in the oven at 425. It's gonna cook for at least 25 minutes. If it takes longer, I'll let you guys know and stick around and see how it turns out. Wow, look at this delicious cheeseburger pie. That is what I'm choosing to call it, you guys. What are you gonna call this dish? I don't know, I'm going with cheeseburger pie. That crust is golden brown. It smelled up the house so good. And look at this, it's just gonna peel right away. And we're gonna cut ourselves a pie-sized chunk. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. You have your biscuit, you have it all in one here. I want you to see this. Let me just get it out the front here. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Oh, it looks moist and delicious and tasty and it's steamy. And look at all that cheese. Wow, that looks delicious. Oh my goodness, you guys. Everyone's gonna love this dinner. The biscuit is cooked so good. Look at that. The biscuit and the meat. Oh, and the onion is super hot. All right, my buddy's over here. You wanna try this? He's looking at me like his mouth is watering. Tony, here, give that a shot. What do you think of that?
Delicious.
So good, right? The biscuits on top, they're really what make the whole dish so good, you guys. There is so much that you can do with this. Things that you can add, things that you can take away. I don't know. I want to hear all about your ideas in the comments. Tell me more so we can make this better together. All right, you guys, we'll see you later and let me know what you think of this recipe.